Okay, let's continue our journey of understanding the what of these consulting cases. This is the dummy exhibit which you would experience as your life as a consultant. The part and the motive of this section is to give you an overview of what are these consulting cases. Do you know that more than 87% of the companies hire individual based on the case interview? And this adoption rate is higher than any other metric or any other formula used by consulting companies to hire individuals. The essence and the impact of these consulting cases is that they are the micro version of the real life cases which the partners or the senior people might have solved in their own career. This gives them the essence or try to explore the path on how would you do it. Would you do it very differently to what they have done? Would you add additional impact to the team? And these consulting cases are structured in a very similar way on what you would experience while solving it in your real life. And the main essence and the impact of this consulting case is to give you or set a pseudo stage for you so that your interviewer can better understand how would you work around in your day-to-day job as a consultant. And these consulting cases are structured into different parts with a very different motive, which we will cover end to end when we discuss the why part of this consulting cases. With this, I hope that you would understand the basics about what are these consulting cases before we deep dive into the nuances of how exactly you can use them to test if you want to join consulting. And finally, where we spend the most time in this what section would be trying to explore what is the consulting cases structure. This will finally help you to crack and to actually understand the process of consulting cases and set you on the pace or the right path towards acing your consulting cases. I'll see you in the next part.